Kaya nga nagkagulantaan. Palibasa, nakita natin yung warrant much later. Did any one of you, General Marbil, General Torre, meron ba kayong hawak na ICC warrant of arrest at the time of his arrest? Parang electronic copy lang, tapos pinakopya muna, tapos binigay na pagdating doon. Bakit ganon? Samantalang March 10 pa lang nagmo-mobilize na ng libu-libong pulis. Pagkatapos alam na natin na magkakaganito dahil nabalitaan na nga sa Hong Kong. Kung ganon, bakit walang warrant doon sa mismong pag-aresto? Electronic copy lamang at nagpa-imprenta pa. Ba't nagkaganon?
May I differ on the wisdom of the SOJ to explain on the legality of the electronic copy of the warrant, ma'am?
Hindi naman tinatanong yung legality. Okay lang yun. Ang tinatanong ko, bakit parang unprepared kayo samantalang prepared na si General Marbil?
Madam Chair, I just want to make clear na ang kabaho po ng police is really to assist po yung PCTC natin. Yun po yung and what we...
Yung paraan na ginawa nila para mahuli si dating Presidente Duterte ay nagresulta sa napakatinding paglabag sa kanyang karapatan. Unang-una, nakita niyo naman, sabi nila doon sa kanilang sinumite na sa habeas corpus na sinampa namin para kay Congressman Pulong na binasahan daw siya nung warrant of arrest. Hindi po totoo yan. Kasi wala pong pinakitang warrant of arrest. In fact, nagkaroon lang siya ng access sa warrant of arrest ngayong araw na ito. Kasi kagabi, bago pumasok sa detention facility si Atty. Kaufman, nagpa-print sa akin ng isang kopya ng warrant of arrest. At ngayon pa lang nabasa ni Presidente yung warrant of arrest laban sa kanya. Ilang araw na nakalipas matapos na siya ay naaresto at napadala rito sa dahig. Pangalawa, hindi lang niya nakita ang warrant of arrest, hindi rin siya sinabihan ng kanyang mga karapatan. Ang binasa lang ni General Torre, at nakita ko naman ito sa Facebook, ay yung mga karapatan na akusado sa lokal na hukuman. Hindi naman sinabi na meron din siyang karapatan na iharap sa lokal na hukuman at ang pinaka-importante pa na meron siyang karapatan na humingi ng interim relief for provisional liberty sa lokal na Pilipinas na hukuman.
Correct question. Where are you bringing me? I'm bringing you to the Hague, sir, the Netherlands. That's impossible. Please, sir, we have already settled that. The decision has been made. Hindi ho ito. Andiyan naman sir ang mga lawyers mo. Nakita naman nila sir.
Hindi yan
You have is tama po yung sinasabing order ng diffusion. So ito po yung nangyari. We rely po dun sa PCTC, dun sa lahat ng mga documents that they did na gagamitin po dun sa effect ng arrest. Ito po yung ginawa po ng again, uulitin ko.
Dapat yung PCTC nagdala ng warrant. Ba't nga ba kayo walang warrant?
It was stated ipapadala po through diplomatic channels Naka-state po yun
So, dapat diplomatic channel. Nangyari ba yon? Kung diplomatic channel yung DFA, ano ba nangyari sa warrant na yan? Sa dinami-dami ng handa ninyo, sa libo-libong pulis at sundalo na kinalampag, wala bang nag-isip na kinakailangan dalhin yung warrant?
Your Honor, if I may, wala po kaming information o wala kaming natanggap at all.
Kayo naman sa PCTC, wala rin kayong natanggap?
We requested for a copy of the warrant and we got it the next day.
The next day being?
The warrant that came from the
Kaya nga, what
the
day na?
system. The next day is 12.
So, hindi rin ninyo na ipakita kay Presidente Duterte? Bale tama si General Torre na warrantless arresto.
Pinakita po namin yung hard copy sa 250 pero sa lawyers po niya natin binigay.
Madam Chair, can I clarify?
Kasi ang sinasabi din na redacted copy lang ang binigay, hindi rin kompleto, kaya hindi nila mabuo. At yun nga, nagkagulatan bakit meron pa.
Can I clarify that? Sir, it was a sealed warrant, correct? Hindi.
Hindi po. Electronic yung nakuha po na...
No. Ano ang... Kasi parang sa ibang news report, sabi sealed. Pag sealed kasi, hindi dadaan ng DFA yon. So yun nga ang question.
What was sealed, sir, was
the warrant of arrest was sealed before March 11.
Yes. Tapos kanino, sir, pinadala? Sino magbubukas noon?
When they demanded a copy of the warrant, we relied on our fail-safe mechanism. We have a fail-safe mechanism to make sure that the documents are secure in our possession. So it's the DOJ that produced the
Yeah,
warrant.
hindi sa may bias ako sa DFA, but I've worked with these people. Kasi pag sealed, may option na hindi padaanin sa kanila. At kahit pinadaan sa kanila, I don't think they have the authority to open it. Diba?
Yes, but we have to use our fail-safe because so we have to use our fail-safe.
But once naman it's opened by the proper authority, then, syempre, Philippine law na. Ipapakita mo talaga dun sa na...
Yes, we showed it to the president and to his lawyers.
Teka, mapapaliwanag lang ako. Tell me candidly, at the time you apprehended PRRD, nung inaresto si former president, yung ICC warrant, nasa inyo na ba, General Torre? Yung totoo. Kasi you're under oath, alalahanin ko.
Yes, ma'am. It is with us.
It was already with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Electronic.
Yes, ma'am.
Electronic. Wala
Yes,
kayong official copy?
Electronic
walang
copy, ma'am,
hard
given
copy?
electronic copy given to me by Yusek Nikiti of the DOJ, ma'am.
Sa DOJ. Sa inyo, kasi parang nagtuturoan kayo, sabi ninyo, na dapat yung PCTC ang nagbigay. Pero wala kayong binigay. Sabi ninyo, dapat DFA. Nalilito po ako.
Hindi po. Hindi po nagtuturoan. We had the copy of the warrant, that electronic copy of
Sa dinami-dami
Yusek
ng nag-aresto kay Presidente, walang nag-isip na kinakailangan bigyan ng kopya na hard copy, opisyal, at talagang...
binigyan po namin sa
Saan? Saan
250
at kailan?
po, binigyan po namin. Nung ma-print na po yung hard copy.
Saan yun?
Sa 250 po.
Sa Villamor.
Meron.
Ano yung 250 po?
Sa Villamor. Binigyan po siya ng kopya. Hard copy po. About shortly before 12 po. Around 12, around noon at that time po.
Noon. Noon time? Naibigay ng noon time?
Opo.
Pero anong oras ba hiningi? Di ba napakaaga pa noon?
Humihingi po sila from the tube. Starting from the tube, humihingi na po
Anong
sila.
oras yun nung hiningi
When
sila?
they arrive po, it's about 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock.
Or at,
So, dalawang oras makalipas bago ninyo naibigay.
Ma'am, just to be clear,
Yes.
General Torre, maybe you can explain the process of serving the electronic copy, which constitutes a legal form of serving the warrant. Yes, ma'am. After they disembarked, as I have learned from General Torre, they asked that it be postponed, that they be brought first to... Ano ba nangyari doon, General, pagkatapos ng...
They only disembarked when the electronic copy was produced and given to them. Bus, and when they step out of the plane at the junction of the moving part, PG Fadulyon met them and attempted to read the rights to President Duterte, and all of them said, pwede ba yan at pa-diffuse muna natin ang tension, doon na lang sa 250th airlift wing. So we acceded to that request. We arrived at the 250th airlift wing. They were given refreshment to refresh. They were allowed to generally pababain lang ang tension ng lahat. And then we, after an hour or two, we returned, and that was the video that you saw when I was in the cell phone. Basically, it's memorized already. So just a formality, and then they ask at that juncture. They ask for the written. They want the printed copy. So I went out of the room, stepped out of the room, printed it, and gave it to them.
Okay, yung printed copy, may allegation na redacted copy daw to. Hindi daw kumpleto, hindi daw buo. Parang simplified lang or pinaiklihan. Tama ba? O buong buo?
Buo yun, ma'am. It was
Ilang pahina?
15 pages.
Yung 15 pages na kumakalat ngayon. So
Yes,
yun din ang naibigay doon sa Villamor.
Yes, ma'am. That was properly received by Attorney Delgra in a signed
So Attorney
receiving copy.
Delgra.
Yes, ma'am.
Pero nakita ko sa ating video na iba ang pangyayari tungkol sa abogado. Pwede bang panoorin natin?
Ilan ang hinuli ngayong araw na ito, sir? Sa iba-ibang mga krimen. Ilan ang binigyan ng ganitong... Kasi nandito kayo lahat eh. Nag-iisang tao. Ilan ang binigyan ng ganitong mga krimen sa labas sa loob kayo namin?
Sir, hindi ko tinitingin ng pabor. Just invoke Article 59. Bakit hindi yan magawa-gawa? That's precisely the point that I'm saying. That's precisely the point. The right to counsel is something that has to be observed and respected.
Huwag na tayo
Nag-uusap pa kami. Nag-uusap pa kami.
Attorney, please, this is what you want? This is what you want, Mr. President?
Kayo mga kayo mga sundalo, tanungin ko kayo, anong kasalanan ko?
Okay, hinihila yung abogado. Standard procedure po ba ito ng
Madam Chair?
PNP? Bakit mo kinakaladkad yung abogado? Hindi ba karapatan ng isang akusado, arestado na magkaroon ng abogado? Bakit ayaw ninyong palapitin yung abogado?
Sabi na ho yun, ma'am, that's already the time that I'm forcing everyone to board the plane. I'm already forcing the former president to board the plane, ma'am. Tapos na yung napakarami ng optics sa kanilang ginawa dyan, ma'am. And
Interesting use po of force. You were forcing them. So
yes,
you
ma'am.
admit you forced them. You
I
used
have
violence.
to. I have to because they won't go with us voluntarily, ma'am. So I have tried all the lahat ng pakiusap ay
Naku,
ginawa
General
namin
naman, sa
araw.
dinami-dami ng pulis, ang tanda-tanda na, may sakit pa. Sa palagay mo, masisindak pa yun, o kaya bang lumaban nun?
In fairness to the President, ma'am, after I handcuffed E.S. Mijaldea and told Attorney Delgra that he's the next one to be handcuffed and boarded on the bus, the former President actually acceded and said, sige na, alis na tayo. And you saw that on video.
Well,
It was
nakita namin,
Romy.
di ba, hinihila mo yung upuan. Hindi ba dapat, talagang General Torre, kailangan makinig ka doon sa sinasabi ng abogado? Di ba karapatan nun?